Hi, I received this 12-foot long gutter cleaner as a gift so that I could try it out and show you how it works and all of the great things about it. And so first, let me show you how it came out of the box. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. You've got two brushes. They are identical, and then you can tell from the numerous poles that this is going to get really long. So let's look at it in action. Okay, before I use this, there's a few things I want to tell you about when you're putting this together. So all of these pieces look the same. They've got the black end with a silver end that goes inside, and you're going to screw them all together. And then the end with the handle is a longer black piece with the hole there so you can hang it up. And then the piece that the brush goes on is the same type of like screw piece, but it's black in color instead of silver. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on here. Like I said, this is 12.7 feet. And then I've got a gutter up here. And basically, the thing that's really nice about this is that you are not getting on a ladder, because I don't want to get on a ladder, but I still need to clean my gutters. So you're still going to be able to put this up in here, and then you're going to sweep it back and forth, or you can sweep it from side to side. Like start on this end and then just sweep it all the way across. And this is just so nice because it's so long. Like I said, 12.7 feet. So look how long this is. I don't want to get on a ladder. So you can really reach high with this thing to get leaves and dirt and clutter out of your gutter. So I really recommend this. It's really easy to use. It was easy to put together, and I highly recommend it. Thanks.